Yolanda and welcome back to my kitchen. So today guys, I found a delicious recipe with 3 of my favorite foods of all time. So today we're going to be making a hors d'oeuvre that hopefully you can serve during the holiday season. It's quick, it's easy. It doesn't even require cooking on the stove top. You just pop it in the oven. I am so excited to try this recipe. So let's get started. Okay guys, so today we are making crab stuffed mushrooms, and you guys know how much I love seafood and mushrooms and Parmesan cheese. So I'm so excited to try this recipe. Now this is our ingredients. So we have some Old Bay, some Parmesan, some parsley flakes, some butter, some mayonnaise, green onions, a can of crab meat. Now guys, you already know my struggle with finding lump crab meat. So we're going to try this canned crab meat and hopefully it tastes good. And we have our Cremini mushrooms here, and you only need 1 egg. So I chose this recipe because it's low carb and it doesn't require a lot of filler, and it's quick and easy to make. So I'm going to get everything prepped and I will see you soon. Okay guys, so I got everything prepped, and you know how I do. So this is a little recipe with a twist. The original recipe doesn't call for green onions, but I like green onions, so I'm going to add some in. I have the mushrooms prepped. Now remember guys, you have to just flip it over, cut the stem, and then scoop out the black gills with a spoon. It's really easy. And we have our mayo, calls for 3/4 of a cup. I'm sorry, 1/2 cup. And our Parmesan cheese is 3/4 of a cup. And we have our beaten egg. So let's get everything mixed up so we can put the mixture on the mushrooms and pop them in the oven. And go ahead guys and preheat your oven to 400 degrees so it can heat up while you get everything prepared. I forgot to say that in the beginning. So preheat your oven 400 degrees. Let's start mixing. Just gently mix it up together. And guys, this crab meat isn't bad at all. It doesn't have a fishy odor or anything like that. It's nice and white and clean. I just picked through it to make sure there was no shells in there, and I didn't find any shells. So let's hope it tastes as good as it looks. Okay, so I just gently folded in all the ingredients. I'm going to go ahead and add some Old Bay to it. And my green onions. Guys, I told you the original recipe is from the Wolf Pit, and he has a lot of amazing recipes on his website. And I wanted to try this one because I thought it would be a good appetizer or hors d'oeuvre for the holidays. Now I got it all mixed up. Let's go ahead and start filling our mushrooms. And I will leave you guys a complete list of ingredients and instructions in the description box. I'm getting so excited, guys. This looks so good. I think I'm going to top it off with a little Old Bay when I put the cheese on. Now, I'm just going to pop mine on my baking sheet. This was so easy, guys, to make. And I hope it tastes delicious because it will be something that I can make every holiday season, or if I just want to whip up some appetizers. And guys, if you can get your hands on lump crab meat, of course that's the best, but I have to tell you, this canned crab meat not looking too bad. So we had enough filling to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mushrooms. All we have to do is put them on the tray. With a little butter. Let's top it off with a little Old Bay. Because y'all know I love my Old Bay. And Parmesan cheese. I'm just getting it all over the place. Okay guys, that's it. Looks delicious. I'm gonna pop this in the oven. I think for 20 minutes. If I'm wrong, I will let you guys know. Okay guys, so I let them bake for 20 minutes and this is how they came out looking. Oh my God, they smell so delicious. They look so good. I can't wait to dig in. I hope you guys like this recipe and I hope you try it. My goodness. Hey guys, so everything is done. Oh my goodness. Smells so good. I can't wait to dig in. I just wanted to thank you guys for cooking with me today. And like I said before, I will leave a full description of the recipe and how to cook it in the description box. I hope you try it out this Thanksgiving or this Christmas, or if you just want to make a delicious, tasty hors d'oeuvre or appetizer. See you next time. Bye.